high. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know that I can. So baby, please don't let me blow. Baby, please don't let me blow. You can't do this, but I know that I can. You gotta do this from the heart. You won't do this, you won't start. I just gotta play the cards in my hand.
What is going on, fam? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be talking about the clutch in this car. Yeah, man, so as you guys know, just like a while back, maybe a couple months ago, 1,000 miles later, you know, we had the Spec stage 2 clutch in this car actually. And you know, today we're going to be giving you guys a little bit of an update on it. And you know, there's nothing wrong with the clutch. I just want to give you guys an honest review on it, if it's making any noise and stuff like that. But as you guys can see, before we go and do that, you guys can, yeah, now y'all can see, yeah, this thing is absolutely filthy. And you know, this morning, you know, I had to go into work a little bit early, and you know, I came home and it's about like 9 o'clock right now. So you know, I came home and I was like, you know what, I'm already awake, I'm gonna be productive. I got some errands I need to run. I'm gonna go clean the car, and you know, what's a better way to, you know, be more productive than to make a YouTube video for you guys, so I can have one out on Tuesday. If you guys are new, I upload every single Tuesday, man, 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. That's where you guys can, you know, see me, see a new video. I just want to let you guys know, you know, we're gonna be cleaning the car up, and I'm kind of sad. These white MT letters already got freaking brown. I'm not sure where that's from, but this is what I used to use. Oh, this is what I used to use on my Jeep. What it had white letters on there, and this stuff right here would bring it back. So I'm hopefully, you know, this stuff will go white again, because it looks pretty badass when they have white letters. But you know, we're gonna go clean the car, see if this works. I actually wanted to go try out some new tire shine. If they have it at the parts store, I'll let you guys know about that also. But you know, we're gonna go cruise the car real quick. It's a beautiful day outside, feels awesome, and I washed my old man's truck yesterday, man, so I'm a little bit in the washing mood. So we'll meet you guys at the car wash and get this baby cleaned up. Yes, sir. And as you guys know from last video, my freaking SET came off because I had it, you know, I had it sticky to the clock, and my mount just came in the mail, man. So I'm gonna go pick that up right now and show you guys real quick how I mount this thing. All right, guys, as you guys can see right here, this is the package, Gen X Performance, and we're gonna open this up. Which, you know, it has a little knob in the back, and it has a little alcohol pad, and it looks like it's weird. They have some M&Ms. I guess that's for buying with them, but I ain't gonna eat those. Alright, so last time I actually have the wire coming out of here, as you guys can see, coming out of the side over here on the console, and I had it mounted right here. Now that I have a mount, I think I'm actually gonna mount it right here. So I'm gonna feed it back through over here, have the wire be coming up right there, and then mount right here. So I'll show you guys right now. Alright guys, so I got it all ran up, have it kind of squished right there, and then boom. So I kind of like that, man. I'm just, you know, set up right here. I can see all my vitals and everything right there. So yeah, man, looks pretty sweet. I don't have to worry about, you know, it being at an angle anymore, and you know, being at a glare. I like how it's right there now. I'd rather have it over here, but you know, I don't really like how a wire would be running up, you know, underneath my legs and everything. So yeah, to the car wash we go.
Hope I live to see another day. It seems like I've been always fighting just so I can fucking hold my place. Numbing like some Novocaine. I think I need you in my life. Would it be better if I go away? I can go show you the way. You always question what I'm doing, like I don't wanna see a better day. I can make a better way. I promise you a better life. I swear that it'll all be worth the pain. Everything that I am is slowly controlling my every emotion. Inside I feel broken.
What's going on, fam? We're back. and it's a little bit windy today, so I apologize in advance for the wind noise. So guys, I finished washing the car, and as you guys can see, this thing looks absolutely beautiful now. Rim's all cleaned up, and that tire shine, man, I think we did something. So usually, you know, I use the rub-on type stuff, and I use tire shine, and I wait about 10 minutes, and sometimes I even wipe it down. And you guys know when you take off, it slings all over your paint. You have to stop somewhere, clean it off, and then you just have that oily stuff all over your paint. Well, this stuff, guys, on the can it actually says to wait 20 minutes before you take off, and I actually only waited like about 10 minutes, not even 10 minutes probably, and I took off, and as you guys can see, there's nothing slung on the paint, and you see how it looks a little bit wet still? It's dry to the touch. So I mean, if you guys like a wet tire look like this, I used to be a fan of the wet tire look for the longest time, and then I went to like a dry look, and I like the way the wet tire looks. So I came to this product. I actually got this video from, I actually got this idea from It's Just a Six a long time ago. I saw that he used this can product. I'm gonna show you guys right now, and it's badass. Let me show you. So yeah, man, this is it right here. It's called Coverall. On the back it says, shake well before use, apply 6 inches from the tire, let it penetrate for 20 minutes before driving for best results, spray on and walk away, no wipe needed, man. And supposedly this stuff keeps your tires wet looking for a long time. You know, it's my first time using it, so I can't really tell you guys how long, but I would definitely keep you guys updated. If you like, on the next video next week, I'll show you guys what it looks like, because this car stays under a cover, so you know, if it fades, you know, I'll let you guys know. The can was like $9.80, something like that, man. You know, it wasn't a lot, but it's literally like painting something real quick, man. And you know, with this tire in the back, it might use it a little bit more, but with skinnies in the front, you know, it's gonna preserve it a lot, because you know, there's not a lot of sidewall. So enough with the car washing stuff. Let's get on to today's video, and today's video is going to be about the Stage 2 Spec clutch. So guys, I put this clutch in about 116,000 miles, and you know, right now we're about 117,800 miles. So it's a little bit over 1,000 miles, a little bit over like 1,500 miles of driving with this clutch, and you know, racing it and putting nitrous through it and everything like that. So as far as you know, it's slipping or you know, it grabbing still, I have no problems with that whatsoever. You know, the clutch still grabs as it did when I first got it. As you guys know, when I put the clutch in, I don't have an adjustable firewall adjuster, so I have to adjust it by the shift fork, and it sounded like the pilot bearing went bad already, and it needed an adjustment. So if you guys remember, when I changed the SLPs to Borla attacks, that's when the noise occurred. If you guys didn't see that video, go ahead and click this card right up here, or yeah, right up here, and it'll take you straight to that video if you guys want to see the SLPs, the Borla attacks, the difference. So yeah, man, it'll take you straight to there, and you guys can check out that video. So anyways, right after I changed the Borla attacks, probably like a week after, I'm not sure if it was doing this the whole time and the SLPs were just too loud to hear it, but now that I quiet down the exhaust, I have a loud clinking noise. It's not really that loud, but when the car's idling, I heard clink, clink, clunk, 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 and I literally thought my car started knocking. And I put my foot on the clutch, and it goes away. So I'm not sure if this is what you guys were telling me when you say spec clutches always get this clutch chatter. Maybe this is what you guys were talking about. It's starting to do the clutch chatter noise, and you know, it sounds pretty ugly, but the clutch is still grabbing fine. You know, it's still doing its job. Other than it sounding ugly, man, I'm not gonna change it. I'm gonna ride this clutch out until, you know, I could use it to its full potential. I'm not gonna pull it out unless, like, you know, there's failure with the clutch or anything like that. But you know, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the noise. At cold start, it doesn't really do it, so I'm assuming, I mean, it starts to chatter when, you know, the clutch starts to get hot or warm. But you guys will hear this thing right now. My foot's on the clutch right now. I'm gonna let it idle down real quick. You guys ready for this? I'm gonna put the mic right by it so you guys can hear. Right now it's not doing it that bad. Maybe it's because I turned the car off for a while. It's doing it now. You guys can hear. Clutch in. No noise. Clutch out. You guys can hear that thing rattling. I'm gonna do it right here just in case you guys can hear it from inside the car. It's making the noise. Clutch in. Goes away. Clutch out. It's rattling. It's rattling pretty bad, man. So this is the car. See if you guys can hear it from out here. So yeah, man, as you guys can hear, it's rattling, it's clinking. But like I said, it's not giving me no problems, you know, gripping, clutch grabbing. It's not giving me any of those problems. It just has that ugly noise, and I'm not sure if that is normal, guys. Please let me know in the comments down below if it's normal, if you guys have this clutch, if it's making that noise, or if you guys have the mechanical expertise and tell me what that is. I've adjusted the clutch, and you know, it doesn't change it. I just think it's the clutch, man. My mechanic told me it might be the lightweight flywheel and the clutch, you know, just trying to turn at the same speed, and you know, maybe it's out of balance or something like that. The clutch is a stage 2 clutch. It's a Kevlar clutch, and I'm not sure if it's the stage 2 meshing with the lightweight flywheel that is making that clinking noise. Maybe it was doing it the whole time, man. I'm not sure. But now that the car is a lot quieter, I can hear it a lot now. So, in case you guys want to hear the cams. Hell yeah. And dude, this spoiler is getting so oxidized. When I wet the spoiler, it looks awesome, and then when it dries, it looks so oxidized. If you guys remember, I did the hood got oxidized like that. I had to re-clear coat it, and it looked like glass. I think I'm gonna have to do that with that also, but I've been thinking about going back to a whole paint match look, all white again. I'm not gonna paint them, but I want to wrap them just to match the car, you know what I mean? So let me know what you guys think about that in the comments down below. If I should stay carbon, or if I should just go all white, you know, just for a little switch up, or maybe even a full color change, you know, who knows? I might do that for 10K subscribers. But yeah, guys, that's gonna go ahead and do it for today's video, man. I just wanted to let you guys know, as far as the clutch drivability, man, the car drives awesome, but compared to the stock clutch, this thing is a lot more heavier. So if you guys are gonna go with the stage 2, just be aware of that. Would I go lightweight flywheel in the future? I didn't notice a big difference with the lightweight flywheel other than like weight savings. This lightweight flywheel compared to the stock flywheel is like so much lighter, man. So if you guys want that weight advantage, then go ahead and do it. People say that it gets rev happy and stuff. I didn't notice a difference, man, to be honest. So you know, the stage 2 clutch, it's awesome. It grabs good. You know, it holds the nitrous well. This car's making about 455 foot-pounds of torque. That's what it read on the dyno with the 100 shot, and we're gonna see what it does with the 150 shot, man. I don't have a doubt in my mind that this clutch is gonna be able to hold it good. But yeah, man, that's my review over this clutch, like a little 1,000-mile update. You know, it's doing me well. It's just, you know, kind of making that ugly noise. So yeah, guys, that's gonna go ahead and do it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, please drop that like button down below. You know, it takes you guys a couple seconds just to do that. If you guys are brand new, please hit that subscribe button down below. Hit those post notifications so you guys know when I upload. I upload every single Tuesday, 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. I'll see you guys next week. I'm gonna give you guys a little rev, man, and then we're gonna be out of here. It's your boy 4.6Chris. We'll see you guys later, man. Peace.
I live to see another day. It seems like I've been always fighting just so I can fucking hold my place. Numbing like some Novocaine.